Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In this class I am explaining polynomial. First understand the term polynomial. Polynomial ante entidi? It is a combination of two words. Poly means many and nomial. Nomial means terms. Means many terms. Okay, polynomial means many terms. A polynomial is in X. In X, it is an expression containing sum of finite number of terms. Means finite number of terms in the one expression, algebraic expression, there are finite number of terms are there. Means we can count that. In terms X, in the form, what is the which form? A x power n. This is the form where A is a real number. Here A is there na, it is a real number. A is a real number. Okay. Next, n is a whole number. It is anything. Whole number means 0 to. You can take any number where a should not be equal to 0. Okay, and n is a whole number. Now example here, 4x, it is a one term. 7x square, it is a another term. 10x cube, this is a polynomial. We can also tell that when it is not polynomial. For example, 1 by x is there. In case 1 by x is x unte, it is not a polynomial. For example, 1 by x plus 6 undi. ఇది polynomial, not a polynomial. ఎందుకు? Why it is not polynomial? It is here x power minus 1. We already discussed here x power, it is n. N is a whole number. Here it is a negative. So it is not a polynomial. This equation is not a polynomial. Okay, it is negative power. Non-negative power undali. Okay na? Now degree of polynomial. ఏదన్నా ఒక పాలినామియల్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాని డిగ్రీని ఎట్లా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి? హౌ టు ఐడెంటిఫై డిగ్రీ? హియర్ లుక్ ఎట్ ఇన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ పాలినామియల్. ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పవర్? యూ హావ్ టు లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్. హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్కి హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఏది ఉంటే ఈ పాలినామియల్కి దాన్ని డిగ్రీ అంటారు. ఇక్కడ డిగ్రీ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిగ్రీ హియర్ ఫర్ దిస్ గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్? ఇట్ ఈస్ అ 1. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ లీనియర్ పాలినామియల్. ఇఫ్ ద డిగ్రీ is 2, look at in this polynomial, it is polynomial in next term, degree is highest power. Here 2, here is 1, here is 0. Okay, here 2 means it is a quadratic polynomial. Here look at in this, what is the degree? A highest degree you have to look at, highest exponent you have to look at. అంటే highest power ఏది ఉంటే అది డిగ్రీ. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది for the x cube. So it is a cubic polynomial. Okay, now general form ax plus b, it is a linear. ax square bx plus c, it is a quadratic polynomial. Ax cube bx square cx plus d, it is a